Hey, what's going on? Okay, so I am coming to you right now to talk about daily topic. I know it's been a minute, but I have really had been under the weather, so still trying to get over it a little bit, but feeling well enough that I can talk about daily topic. And today I have a good one for you. Well, at least I think it is. And you know what to do. If you want to be a part of this and you want to give your opinion, just comment under the video below. Okay? Okay, daily topics today is why do men and women cheat? What really make them do it? And I want to really know what do you think why they do it? Me, I think it's because you guys, it's in your nature to be a canine, to be a doom, 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 nothing but the dog. You know, dog catching, always chasing the cat. But anyway, y'all do that. Sorry about that. But anyway, what I was saying is this: it's because I think men they think with only one head, not this one, that one below, and it rules over them. It just takes over because it's like they woman can never do enough. It's like she can do everything. She can be beautiful, flawless, fine, big booty, big titties, whatever. It's just that y'all see something else and y'all think it look good, y'all just gotta have it. That's what I think. Don't shoot me. Women, we are treacherous at times. We are some of us. Some of us are very sweet and nice. We just want y'all attention. We want y'all undivided attention. I know it's a lot. Y'all think it's a lot. Like, damn, I give you everything. Now you just doing what? Suck the life out of me? No. Want to know that you appreciate what you got. That you want what you got. That you don't want nobody else to get what you got. And you know it's good. So, just want your attention. And we want you to show us some affection. Okay, yeah, we put on a little extra weight. We dropped some weight. That seemed to have been turning a lot of guys off. But if we're trying to make a change, it's because, we want to try to gain y'all opinion for some reason. Some women really do love their men. So, they'll do whatever it takes to get your attention. And you just need to pay attention. So if I'm right or wrong, let me know what you feel. Everybody can get in on this. I really want everybody to get in on this because this is a question that everybody really want to know. So this is Miss Hollywood, Texas. I'm signing out. And you know what to do. Leave a comment below. Anyway, also you can catch me. You can find me on any one of my social medias. I'm on Instagram, Big Booty Kim 713. I'm on Twitter as Miss Hollywood Texas TX. I'm on Facebook. I have a fan page, Miss Hollywood Texas, and the Texas spelled all the way out. And my real regular fan page is Kimberly Rogers, but it's no opening. So either you would have to follow me and see my daily posts and everything, but that's where everything go down. That's where I originally started at. So that's where I do a lot of my time. That's where a lot of my followers are really at too. And so, in other words, and I be seeing all y'all little stuff, and I'm getting to them. Some of them that I think, is worth getting to. The other ones, I'm just completely ignoring your ass because it's ridiculous, and I'm not going to do that. And if you know me as a person, I'm not going to do that. And I am also working on some up-and-coming projects I know you're going to love. I just can't talk about it because I got to get everything right. But as soon as it's done, you will know. Also, you can always support me. And if you want to help out, just donate. And I have a PayPal, and it's bookingmisshollywoodtexas at gmail.com. If you just want to donate to help me with my projects that I got coming up, if you want me to get certain outfits, you know, you can donate there and say, hey, this is for the yoga pants. This is for the red dress. This is for the blue dress. This is for the tights that I want you to wear. This is for, I want you to hold up my name. I want you to say my name. I want you to bounce something while you saying my name. Yeah, just, you know, a little support, and then you might can get everything, some of the things you want, not all of the things. Some of the stuff is fucking crazy. Really? Anyway, love you guys. Thank you for subscribing, and keep in touch. And I have another video that's coming out. So, hopefully you will love it. Bye.